Investors have been in a good mood lately, and it continued today. Stocks made new highs again as Wall Street welcomed better than expected reports on the economy and more progress on trade. And once again, the gains may have been slight, but it was still good enough for more records. The Dow today averaged just a gain of 31 points to 28,267. NASDAQ rose by 9 and the S&P added just 1 point, but it closed higher for a fifth straight session, its longest win streak in a month. Bob Pisani starts us off tonight from the New York Stock Exchange.
Stocks were back in record rally mode today. The Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ closing at new highs, just barely. This is the 30th record close of the year for the S&P. What's fueling this rally? No major headlines today, but the bulls are sticking with their story of having much more clarity heading into the end of the year, and particularly going into 2020. There doesn't appear to be any recession in sight in the U.S. economy. That's the most important thing. Just look at today's data. Industrial production finally rebounded in November. Factory activity and auto production picked up after a nationwide strike ended at General Motors. And housing starts also jumped last month, with single-family construction hitting 10-year highs, lower mortgage rates boosting buyer confidence in that sector. That's sending home improvement names like Lowe's to all-time highs today. Bond yields also spiked on that stronger report, pushing big banks like Bank of America, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, new 52-week highs for them, along with the regional banks like KeyCorp. Elsewhere, of course, the market takes some comfort in knowing there's at least a partial trade truce of sorts kicking in ahead of the holidays. That's also supportive for stocks, but the global growth picture is still a little bit murky, especially after reports that Boeing could be looking to cut or halt production of its embattled MAX jets. That's rippling through the global supply chain. It's hitting key suppliers like General Electric, Safran, and Spirit Aerosystems, all of which contribute to that jet. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.